Okay, Salmonella, let's set up your brand new X-Cite NOVEM and start imaging. Inside the box, you'll find the X-Cite NOVEM, speedDial, light guide, and adapter of your choice, TTL cables, USB cable, tools that you may need for filter changes, and of course, a power cord. At the rear of the X-Cite NOVEM, connect the speedDial, the USB cable if you are connecting to your computer, and the AC power cord. If you require TTL or analog control, here are the ports where you will insert the cables. And finally, the light guide. Remove the protective caps and make sure the end is fully inserted up to the B line. On the microscope side, attach the adapter to your microscope. Next, insert the small end of the light guide into the adapter and secure with the thumb screw. Plug the power into a properly grounded outlet and turn the unit on with the rocker switch located right here in front of the unit. It's easy to select the channel and intensity you need using the speedDial hand controller. If you are using a multiband filter cube in the microscope, you don't even have to change filter cubes as you switch between channels. If you have any issues setting up your new X-Cite NOVEM, our team is more than happy to help. Please look out for more videos on what this great system can do and how you can get the most out of your new X-Cite NOVEM. For additional information, visit our website. While you're there, don't forget to sign up for our Illuminate newsletter to get all the latest information from your X-Cite team.